Have you ever wondered about some secret apps that no one has ever talked about before? Well, today I'm going to reveal a few of these hidden gems, and some of them have even helped me make hundreds of thousands of dollars. So keep watching to discover which of these apps can really boost your earnings. Hello, and welcome to the Money Hustle, where earning money online is made easy. On this channel, we offer the most recent strategies for making money online. As a result, if you find this video to be useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you may be the first to watch the latest videos and apply the new and innovative strategies I develop for making money online. Let's start with the first app, Piada AI. It's designed for folks who don't own their homes but are renting apartments or houses. With this app, you can accumulate credit, get paid, and even earn cash back on your rent. Piada rewards renters, helping them save on everyday expenses. You can easily install it on iOS or Android for free. Moving on to the second app, Toloka Earn Online, available on the Google Play Store. It offers straightforward tasks like updating information, typing, labeling typos, image moderation, and more. You can receive payments via PayPal, Payoneer, and other options. While it won't make you rich, combining multiple apps like this can boost your earnings. Third, there's Cashstars.com, one of my favorites. Currently, it's closed to new users, but you can join the waiting list. Once accepted, you can get paid for watching videos, browsing Google, retweeting, playing games, and more. Cashstars is known for being one of the higher-paying options in this category, though enrollment is limited at the moment. Now let's talk about the fourth app, Panelstars.com. It's pretty unique. Panelstars allows you to boost your social media engagement. For instance, you can get Instagram followers and more. It's interesting because 1,000 followers cost about 38 cents on Panelstars. But here's the catch. If you visit a platform like Bozoid, which gets hundreds of thousands of monthly visitors and thousands of customers every day, they sell 1,000 followers for just 13 cents. You can do the math and realize you can make some real money by arbitraging or reselling these services right from your phone. Moving on to app number 5, we have Lazybox. This app adds a fun twist to making money online. It's like a game. You'll find various tasks, including surveys, offers, and games. However, it won't make you a fortune, so my advice is to combine multiple apps like this to boost your earnings. It's great for some extra cash in your spare time, and I love how they've turned the money-making process into a game. App number 6 is for those with an online following. If you have around 5,000 to 10,000 followers, you can monetize your audience and earn money online. Essentially, you can promote different apps and get paid per install. In some cases, you could earn $3 or even $5 when someone installs an app through your referral link. Take Tim, for example, who has made nearly $200,000 with his free app by promoting relevant apps to his audience. Let's talk about another app called Goopinion. This one's all about surveys, although I must admit I'm not a huge fan of surveys myself. They can be a bit of work asking you loads of somewhat dull questions. But if you've got some spare time, like when you're waiting in line or just sitting around, you can complete a bunch of surveys and earn a few bucks right from your couch. Moving on, we've got an app called Ernie, which you can find at Ernie.com. This platform lets you win prizes on your Amazon purchases. Just link your Amazon account, and you could earn up to $4,000 when you shop on Amazon. Some folks are making thousands of dollars with this tool. You earn tickets, and then you can join different competitions for a chance to win big, all for free. At number 10, there's an app called BeMyEye. It's a bit different and won't make you tons of money, but it's worth installing and it's free. BeMyEye lets you earn money with your phone's camera. They give you short missions like scanning a product's barcode or taking a picture of an item in a store, and you get paid a few bucks each time. You don't need a fancy camera. They're more interested in collecting data than high-quality photos. Another app to add in our list is called MultiPolls. It's a survey app, but the cool thing is it offers more than just your run-of-the-mill boring questions. You can find some higher-paying services on here, so you're not stuck with pocket change for your efforts. In fact, in some cases, you can make a couple of bucks for just answering a few questions, and you can cash out with PayPal or other payment options. Moving on to another survey app called YouGov, which you can find on both the Google Play Store and the App Store for free. While it may not have the most exciting surveys, you can still earn some money in your spare time. Now, let's talk about Attapoll, where you can also get paid for completing surveys. These apps are pretty similar, so if you use multiple survey apps, let's say you have about 10 of them, you can actually boost your earnings. Even if one app only pays you $3 a day, having 10 of them means you could make $30 a day. Next up is StreetBees, and this app makes making money online interesting and fun. You can chat with others, answer questions, complete surveys, and take on various tasks, which are often enjoyable. It's a great way to make a few extra bucks in your spare time. At 15, we've got SurveyParty, which is also gamified and feels more like playing a game than working. But while you're having fun, you're also making money. So if you're into surveys and want to have some fun while earning, this app is for you. Next in our list is Eureka. It's quite similar to the previous ones, as it's all about completing surveys and offers to earn money online. The best part is that it won't cost you a dime, and it boasts some of the highest paying offers, especially when it comes to surveys. It currently offers the most lucrative deals. Now, for our 17th app, consider using the YouTube app and the YouTube Studio app. I personally use these apps to generate hundreds of thousands of dollars every year. I have YouTube channels where I don't even show my face or use a camera, yet they bring in thousands of dollars daily, mainly from ad revenue. Next up is app number 18, SurveyPop. This app offers an enjoyable and engaging way to earn money online. You can get paid for various entertaining tasks, such as watching videos, conducting online searches, completing different assignments, and even playing video games. It's a fun, gamified approach to making money, and the best part is, it won't cost you a penny. It's completely free. Finally, let's discuss SurveySpin, the last app on our list. While it's another survey app, it adds a twist to make things more interesting. It's designed to resemble a game, making the process engaging. With daily surveys available, you'll never run out of opportunities to earn. While the payouts may not be substantial on their own, when combined with the other apps we've covered, they can quickly accumulate, allowing you to make a more significant amount of money online right from the comfort of your home, all for free. There you have the top 19 apps that offer fantastic opportunities to earn money online. Whether you're completing surveys, playing games, or engaging in other fun tasks, these apps can help you boost your income from the convenience of your smartphone. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to show your support by commenting, liking, subscribing, and sharing this video with others. Happy earning!